Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you again today. This is day 3 of the Amazon Seller Summit. Yesterday I didn't record too much. We didn't actually hear a lot about Amazon FBA in the Seller Summit, but we did hear a lot from other motivational speakers giving us a more well-rounded experience about our business and what we should think about moving forward with it. But I wanted to vlog this a bit for you guys today. I'm going to the ASD trade show, so we're about to board the buses right now, and I will be sharing a lot more content with you there. We're gonna meet with real suppliers and gonna really see what it's like. I have never been to a trade show. This is a big one. Again, we're out here in Las Vegas, so stay tuned for more clips of the ASD trade show. All right guys, we just stepped up at the ASD trade show. We have vendors, over 2,700 of them from all over the world. So we're gonna go see if we can get some good comparable prices to what we usually find on Alibaba. I'm not sure if that's gonna be the case. We are in Las Vegas. These suppliers know that people may pay a more premium price. They know they're selling to US buyers in Las Vegas, so it's a money city. We're gonna go see though if we can score some deals and get some comparable prices to what's on Alibaba. Let's go check it out. All right guys, this is exactly what I expected. I came by a booth that was selling a similar product to what I'm selling. They wanted $120 per unit for me to buy it at a manufacturer discounted price. I told them I'm selling a product practically identical that's actually a lot more high quality. It has more features on it than the one selling here, and I'm getting it for $32 a piece plus $11 shipping into the US for each unit. So like I said before, I've spent $4,400 on 100 units of my product. If I was to buy 100 units of their product at $120 each, that's, I mean, holy crap, that's over $10,000 for 100 units. That's the price that I'm expecting to sell to my customers at, $120, not what I'm trying to buy it at. So that's what I was taking away from this, guys. That's why anything where you come out to these trade shows, they're going to be gouging you. This was unbelievable. I could not believe that they were trying to charge me the price for that product that I'm going to try and sell to my customers. How am I going to make profit on that? So that was a pretty funny thing. We're going to go check out some more booths and see what we can do. I would have done a quick interview with them, but they weren't allowing it, and I would have scanned the item that I was looking at, but that would have revealed what my product is pretty much, so I didn't want to do that either. I'm just letting you know they wanted $120 per unit, whereas I'm getting mine for $44, including shipping into Amazon's warehouse with all my logo, my packaging, looking supremely perfect and all that good stuff. So we're gonna go check out some of the other stuff. My buddy Mark here, my business partner that we're on this adventure with, we're gonna go look at his products and see if those prices are comparable to what we see on Alibaba. Stay tuned. All right guys, just left the ASD trade show. To be honest, I didn't really find too much I would actually sell on Amazon. There was a ton of products in there, but one thing that I found was a lot of the people selling in the booths were actually kind of middlemen, and they had suppliers over in Taiwan, over in China that they bought their products from, and they were being middlemen trying to sell at a wholesale price to people like me. But when I was comparing product prices on Amazon to what they were offering, I saw profit margins would not be good to go. So if anyone's ever trying to source products, definitely just go look at Alibaba.com, look at the templates. Well, I provide a template in my course that you can see linked down below, how to sell on Amazon and everything, but how to negotiate with suppliers. That's gonna save you a ton of time and headaches in the long run. And I did see a couple cool things in there. There was a nice Lamborghini. I also saw a guy from Pawn Stars. He was one of the experts in collectibles and stuff. I just got to shake his hand, but other than that, guys, we're gonna go take a little trip. We're gonna go walk out this way. I believe Trump Tower's out there. We're gonna go try and check that out and call it a day, guys. It's about 4 o'clock. Haven't even had lunch yet, but guys, when you're in Vegas, you gotta go hard. So stay tuned, and we're gonna try and get some clips of the Trump Tower. It's all gold window, gold everything, so let's go peep it, guys. Let's get it. Just made it to Trump Tower. This place is ritzy as heck. We're in here. It's my first time being in a Trump International hotel. Very impressed. I'm just happy we got some AC going in here. It was about 110 degrees outside. Looks like business is booming in here. We just wanted to come cool off and check it out, see what's going down in here. Really impressed. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to learn a little bit more about how to sell on Amazon, I'll have my Amazon Seller Pro course linked down right below. I am offering different levels of mentorship with that as well. So there's a 3-month option, a 6-month option, and I'm going to be adding a year-long Luke W mentorship option for anyone that's looking to get on something where I ain't giving you guys up until a year. And I mean, after that, we're going to build a relationship, and we'll probably be staying in touch for the rest of who knows when, guys. So thanks a lot again for watching. It's been Luke W. A pleasure serving you guys today. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.